If you don't know about the world water crisis, you should. 2.6 billion people all over the world are affected. So let's not waste water.
The prince to find a wife. The king invited every maiden to attend the grand ball, hoping that his son would win his bride. They ordered Cinderella to make them the most.
Water is very precious. Water is everything. Water gives us life. So save earth and save water.
Our oceans sustain life. Now our water life is filled and killed by throwaway plastics. One garbage truck of plastic is dumped in the sea every minute. 17.6 billion pounds every year.
Hello, I am plastic. Everyone use me for their comfort. But do you know, I am also very harmful and dangerous for our environment. So always use me in productive manner. For that, always use 3R strategy. Reduce, reuse and recycle. When you all go to shopping mall, grocery shop or vegetable shop, always use cloth bags. It reduces the uses of me. Or you can take some old plastic bags with you to reuse me. You give me to shopkeeper for recycling me. Bye bye.
Cycling cuts down greenhouse gas emissions and global climate change. Try and avoid fuel vehicles.
We should do cycling to reduce air pollution, noise pollution, traffic congestion. It is good for our health. Cycling, cycling, cycling. Take my advice. Bye.
For a safer and cleaner environment, use separate bins for a different kind of household waste.
Hello everyone. A simple way of contributing towards Swachh Bharat abhiyaan is to follow 3 R's. Reduce, reuse and recycle. Use green dustbin for wet garbage and blue dustbin for dry garbage and separate dustbins for biomedical waste like medicines, cotton in a separate black dustbin, while sharp objects like needle should be disposed in a steel box. Thank you.
Dispose of your batteries and household cells properly.
बैटरी को डिस्पोज करने के लिए आप इन जगहों पर दे सकते हैं.
Save our trees. Avoid usage of toilet papers and tissue papers. Toilet paper wipes out 27,000 trees a day. At least 17 trees have been cut down and about 20,000 gallons of water is used to produce 1 ton of tissue paper.
Hello friends, please avoid the use of tissue paper because it is harmful for our environment. Instead of use of tissue paper, we should use towel or handkerchief.
Gross electricity consumption in the year 2018-19 in India was 1,181 kilowatt-hour per capita. 200 million people in India still lack access to electricity.
अरे यहाँ पर तो कोई नहीं है, तो फिर लाइट्स क्यों ऑन है? मुझे ये बंद कर देनी चाहिए. हमें लाइट्स को अननेसेसरी ऑन करके इलेक्ट्रिसिटी नहीं वेस्ट करनी चाहिए. और यहाँ भी टेम्परेचर बहुत कम है. हमें टेम्परेचर एसी का टेम्परेचर 22 से लेकर तक 24 तक रखना चाहिए. इससे हमारी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी वेस्ट नहीं होती.
An average human wastes 12 gallons of water while using RO filter.
Hello friends, how to use RO water? Wash your car, watering your plants, floor mopping, cleaning or flushing your toilet. Wash your utensils.
Rainwater harvesting is the oldest and easiest method which we all should follow.
I am collecting this water, and when rain will stop, I will put this water to the plants.
Let's plant more and more trees. 1 acre of forest absorbs 6 tons of carbon dioxide and puts out 4 tons of oxygen. This is enough to meet annual needs of 18 people.
On this Environment Day, we should plant more and more trees, like I have planted a tulsi plant.
Many birds and sparrows are disappearing.
On the eve of Environment's Day, we should do something for environment. Like I have made a bird bath and bird shelters for the lovely birds. Hey friends, we have made 2 bird baths, 1 bird shelter and kept some food for them.
Do something productive on this Environment Day. Let's take a pledge to do our bit to save and protect our environment. You can make a change. Please do share this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Namaste.